Have you ever wondered why aged beef is considered a special treat in high-end restaurants? Today, we'll delve into the science behind dry aging and uncover what makes it so unique. Aged beef is synonymous with gourmet dining, but its process sets it apart from regular cuts. Dry aging occurs when beef is stored in controlled environments to enhance flavor and texture. During dry aging, the outer layer of meat dries out, concentrating flavors with it. This process can take from 2 to 6 weeks depending on desired intensity. Dry aging not only enhances flavor but also tenderizes the meat. Enzymes break down muscle fibers, resulting in a more delicate texture that melts in your mouth. Dry aged beef develops an intense nutty flavor and a unique aroma. This transformation is why it's often found only at high-end steakhouses, as the process requires specialized conditions. The result of dry aging? A steak that elevates any dining experience. From home-cooked meals to restaurant-quality dishes, the depth of flavor and tenderness make it a special order. So there you have it. Dry aging is more than just aging, it's a culinary art that transforms beef into an extraordinary dining experience. This process explains why aged beef commands premium prices and special orders. Next time you order or cook dry aged beef, remember the science behind its unique flavor and texture. What do you think makes aged beef stand out? Share your thoughts in the comments.